Exploding in anger. Understanding an intense English idiom. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll be exploring the phrase, explode in anger. Idioms like this can be tricky for language learners, but they're vital for understanding everyday English conversations. So, let's get started and unpack what it means to explode in anger. Explode in anger is a vivid idiom that describes a sudden and intense display of anger. It's like a metaphor comparing a person's anger to an explosion. Just as an explosion is powerful and abrupt, when someone explodes in anger, their anger is released suddenly and with great intensity. This phrase often implies a loss of control and can be used to describe situations where someone becomes very angry very quickly. To better understand this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. When he saw the broken window, he exploded in anger. This suggests the person became extremely angry instantly upon seeing the broken window. 2. She's usually calm, but she exploded in anger when she heard the news. Here, it's used to contrast her usual calm demeanor with a sudden outburst of anger. These examples show how the idiom is used to describe different scenarios where anger is expressed suddenly and powerfully. English has many idioms that convey similar meanings. For instance, lose one's temper, a more general way of saying someone became angry. Fly off the handle, similar to explode in anger, but often implies a more irrational or uncontrolled anger. Hit the roof, another way to express extreme anger, as if the person's anger is so intense that they could metaphorically hit the ceiling. Understanding these similar expressions can help you grasp the nuances of expressing emotions in English. It's important to use this idiom in appropriate contexts. Remember, it's a strong expression, so it's best used in situations where a sudden and intense reaction is observed. Be mindful of the tone it sets in a conversation. It's more dramatic and intense than simply saying, "He got angry." We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the idiom, explode in anger. Idioms like this add color and emotion to our language, and understanding them is key to becoming fluent in English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.